Hi folks, this is Dawn from Create28 and Create with Confidence, and today I've got something different. It's not a junk journal, believe it or not. I decided since I trimmed hooves yesterday, I was a bit tired, and so I wanted to do something simple. And I was at my folks' house last week, and my stepfather gave me this hat. He was going to throw it away, and it had this band on it, and it was broken. So I just took this band off, and I thought, you know, I've got all this lace and stuff at home. I bet I can do something with this. So I found some lace that I liked, and I thought that I would put this together, and I just do it with you watching. And I've got a hot glue gun here, okay, and it's together. And what I want to do is take the ribbon and glue it so that it hits right where the band was taken off. So like that. Okay. And I need to do something. Let me just put this on here, get this glue started. Okay, let me glue a little tack of glue down here. Going to do a little tack of glue down here. Okay, I'm back where I started from, and I've got some leftover lace here. I'm going to do a little tack of glue here and up at the top and hold that. And cut. Okay, so we've got the first band. Okay, I've got the first band on, and I've got this little gap here. So if I could, oops, take this and just kind of tighten it. Let me take a little glue here. And I really don't want to burn my fingers with that glue. Let me see if I can just take that and maybe tighten it. Now the only hat I've done before this, no, that didn't work. The only hat I've done before this was a hat for a steampunk hat. Okay, so then I found this lace with silver on it, and I thought that was awfully pretty. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to tack it on here. Come around here, give a little tack here, just a little bit of glue there. Come around again. there. Trying to get those spider webs off. Come around here. Okay, and I'm now back. So I want to come around here and try to get it up a little bit and pull it down a little bit. And cut that off. Okay, so now I've got 2 layers on the hat, and I found this ribbon that I thought would be real pretty on here also, like that. So I'm going to put that on here also. I'm going to come right back here to the bottom. Put a little bit of hot glue. Get that down there at the bottom. Come back up here. A little bit of hot glue. Coming around, just a dab there, put another dab here, another dab here in the back. Another dab right there. Okay, and I'm back at the beginning. Okay. And I just want to put another dab right there. And go ahead and trim that off so that we now have this. And of course, that's the back, and that's the side. And then I found, I hate to say how old these ribbons are, because I mean these feathers are. I had them when I moved up here, so they're at least 15 years old. I found these feathers, so I found some of these were black. Found these black ones. Black and white, and I found the red ones. But I really like the black ones. I thought they were pretty. And that's why I was thinking if I had something else, like this flower. Just something like that. Or no, I'm still debating. I like this. Not sure about this though. So let me go ahead and take this off. Get some hot glue on that. And I know we're going to put these on, so let me just put that on right there. And I just want to find something that's just going to kind of cover up that space right there. Okay, I think I found what I was looking for. This brooch, now I lost my glasses. This brooch was actually on the wedding dress that I wore when my mother and stepfather got married. So, put that on there like that. It's a little broken, a little bent, but I think actually finally got it on. Messed up one of my kind of messed up one of my feathers a little bit, but overall I think I like it. So you let me know what you think.